If you want to save some money dining at Disneyland, you might want to check out the Hungry Bear restaurant. I'm on a quest to showcase all of the Disneyland restaurants, and Hungry Bear is known for its fast food type meals. You can order a pretty filling meal and a drink for around 20 bucks. There's everything here from burgers, fries to chicken sandwiches, and I really like the honey spice chicken sandwich. It's even got a little kick to it. Fans also like the loaded onion rings and french fries. Like, these loaded onion rings are covered in bacon cheddar cheese sauce and green chili, but honestly after my first bite, I gotta tell you, I think that they taste better just plain on their own. Hungry Bear also has a really nice sauce station, and the watermelon lemonade is a nice refreshing treat. It's sweet and tart. It also has this lemon flavored boba, which is more like those popping pearls, and you may not know this, but you can actually order the lemon boba for your soft drinks as well. Now, here's something you may not realize. While the Mint Julep bar is down, Hungry Bear Restaurant is serving Mickey-shaped beignets. Just don't forget to shake them before you eat them, and you might want to get a few napkins because these things are messy. I also love how Hungry Bear has plenty of outdoor seating with beautiful views of the rivers of America. It's certainly a nice little break between the rides. Still on my quest to dine at all of the Disneyland restaurants, so make sure you subscribe to see where I go next.